Okay, so here, one of the things we're going to work on is this little light there. See? Look closely. You can see it's getting kind of old. And it's not very neat. So I have this new one that I bought that came in the package from Partworks. So you can see it's the same one, but it's going to be much nicer when I get it in. Focus. See? So it's going to be pretty easy to get to. I think I'm just going to go in through there. Okay, so now you just need to unclip this from behind, like that. There you go, drop it through. Woo! There, now we've got the plug bit here, the old one that needs to come out. Very easy, just gonna undo the boot. Like that, I suppose. There we go. Now we can see the plugs. Unplug that. That's the old one. We don't want that one anymore, so. Oops, and here's the new one. Ta-da! Pretty. Yeah. You can see the difference. It's going to be much nicer to have that one in there. Alright, so all I'm just going to do now is plug it back in to the plugs. So we've got this one here. I'm going to plug this one. Let's see, it goes this way. I'm going to put this one maybe here. And put this one maybe here. Looks good. Put the boot back on. Let's see, if I'm being smart, I would put that on this way. You see, that way the blue rubber goes there. I think that might be just keep it out of the way when it goes in. So put it back in. Now remember, you gotta put the front in first. There's this little lip doohickey. See the profile, it goes drip and then burp. So put this in a little hole. I hope that's the right way. Little hole. There it goes, and then I put the back in. And ta-da! Great! Now I have the new light in. Awesome.